I'm cleaning out my freezer right now, and I got hit by a wave of inspiration over the weekend. From the farmer's market, I had about a pound of beef short ribs, and then I also had a can of chickpeas sitting in my pantry. So I whipped together a quick short rib hummus, garnished that with some parsley, salt, and olive oil, and man, did it pay off. So real quick, you need salt, pepper, cumin, paprika, turmeric, cinnamon, chili flakes, garlic, lemon juice, and about half a cup of olive oil. Mix that together and then marinate your short ribs for at least 12 hours, but ideally overnight. Once you're ready, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to be quickly searing off both sides of your beef short ribs and then braising them about 350 for 1 to 2 hours. I did it in beef bone broth with some onions and garlic. Now while that's going, you can get started on the hummus. If you're using canned ones, boil those off with some baking soda. While those boil, garlic, salt, lemon juice into a food processor. Blend that up and then let it mull for about 10 minutes. Drain your chickpeas and then blend tahini in the food processor while streaming in ice water until a coarse paste is formed. Then in with cumin, chickpeas, and paprika before you blend that on low until you get the desired consistency. Don't forget to stream in some olive oil as well. Now it's time to plate. Your short ribs should look something like that when you pull them. Empty the food processor and get ready to enjoy.